Alright guys, Jesse here with 6 Speed Media, and today we're going to be looking at this 2002 Honda. We're going to be looking at trying to replace this trim ring here. Obviously somebody didn't know what they were doing when they locked themselves out, so we're going to be trying to replace that with this one that I got from a junkyard yesterday. So I'm going to try and show you how to remove this. Alright guys, so I did this off camera just so I could figure it out exactly myself. These clips have a little tab on the top right there, and then they lock in on the bottom. So if you can get, I come in with a screwdriver on the top right here and right here, and I just very delicately just popped it off. And I done that not at this first clip, but I started right here and worked my way down, and I slid the whole thing off of these last couple clips because this slides over the rear trim here. So to keep from pulling this off, I just slid the whole piece of trim back. Now all I'm doing for the new one is I am sliding it back into place, lining my clip up, and now that it's slid all the way up flush, now what I am going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to try and lock it on the bottom and snap every single one of these back on all the way up. And I do have this clip already pre-installed on this one, so I'll have to stick it in the hole. But that, guys, that is all there is to replacing that trim above your door. So if you have a Honda that's a 97 02, I believe it is, this would be the process you do it. This works for the coupe or the 4-door. The trim works the same way on both of them. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and until then, till next time, y'all take care.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch